Why should I ask? It's my Valentine already now. Ideal Valentine Day budget. Like 30K, 20K. My partner. Yeah. Mm, let me say 100K. Yes. 50K.
Yes. Like 100K.
Yes. Why? Because he's my partner. Why else again? Na love na. Na be love. I don't think there is a budget. You don't budget what you want to spend. You spend as the spirit leads based on love you dey get. Ehen. So sometimes you don't even need to spend some very kind and romantic gestures when that your partner will appreciate. You get. Uh, okay. It depends. Let's say go just say go out somewhere like sightseeing or seeing new things. Movies are usually I say movies. I prefer movies.
No, he's already my Valentine partner. 30K or 40K. Personal stuff. That's private. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, anyone can be your Valentine. It's a day to show love. So you can show love to anyone. Anyone can show love to you. So my partner can be my Valentine. Okay, a free 40K. A free 40K can go. Yeah, everything my ID Valentine will need for that day. At least we should be able to get it for him or her. That's a sign to show love. Him or her now. I don't know. I don't know.
Mm, should no, because automatically I'm the why should I ask? Why should I ask? I'm already the person, so I don't think it's reasonable to ask. Hmm. If I'm buoyant enough, of course, maybe like if I have that money, 2 million, 3 million. But since we're not yet there, 30K, 40K, 50K is fair.
Ah, my partner just talk na na na. So if you no buy gift wey dey pass 50K, 30K, I no go ask am. I no go ask am if you no buy the gift. No, no. I no I don't need. She's already my partner now, so we are already Valentine partner already. So no point. He dey craze, na me marry am o. Him papa go hear for village o. Village go come, una sef go come. Which kind question be that one? Oh Jesus! He go dey cool one of Africa, their father. Valentine Day budget. I no need to budget am because the whole year I don dey budget Valentine for her. There's no point.
Uh, yes. Okay. Because it's my partner and I want to share the love moments and Valentine splash anything that has to do with Valentine with him. Budget. Hey, let me not come and do past myself. If I have maximum 15K, minimum 10K.